First problem, the fraction 53 by 1000 is equal to 53 by 1000. Here we have 1000. It has 3 zeros. That's why shift the decimal to the left by 3 places. 0.053. That is 0.053. 0.053. So it has not there this number. So we have this number in options 0.0530. So these both are equal. So option 2 is correct. Second one, if the difference between the two numbers 3.003 and 2.004 is added to the sum of the above numbers, then the number is, we have to add first these two numbers 3.003 and 2.004. Sum of these numbers is 5.007. We have to subtract this. And to the sum of the above numbers, if the difference between the two numbers, first we have to subtract these numbers 3.003, 2.004. Nine, 13, 9, 0. This is the difference. This is the sum. We have to subtract. If the difference between the two numbers 3.003 and 2.004 is added to the sum of the above numbers, then the number is, we have to add these two sums. 5.007, 0.999, 16, 10, 6.006, 6.006. Option 6.006, option 4. Third problem, 1078 into 34 is equal to 36,652. Then the value of 366.52 by 0.34 is 1078 into 34 is equal to 36,652. Then we have to find 366.52 by 0.234. What the answer? So first we have to write this given equation 36,652 by 34 is equal to 1078. If we transpose this left to right, it will become divide by 34, that is equal to 1078. So this also we have to make like this. We have to shift this decimal point. We get 36652, 36,652 by 34. We got the same number, same fraction. So that's why this is equal to 1078. 36,650 by 34 is equal to 1078. So this is also same. So 1078. Fourth problem, 458.32 into 1000. To multiply by 1000, we shift to the decimal to the right by 3 places. Here we have 3 zeros, so that's why we have to shift the decimal to the right by 3 places. 458,320. 4,58,320. 4,58,320. Option 1. Next to fifth problem. The decimal fraction of 36,900 by 10,000 is equal to divide by 10,000, it has 4 zeros. We shift the decimal to the left by 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So answer is 3.6900. 3.6900. So this is equal to 3.69 only. So option is 3. Next, sixth problem. The difference of the position value of 7 in the number 178.6758. 178.6758. Position value. The difference of the position value. Position value of this 7 is ones to tens. 70. Position value of this 7 is 0.07. We have to find the difference. Zero minus 7 not possible. That's why borrow from 7. 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 9, 6. 69.93. 69.93. Option 2. This is the position value. Position value nothing but place value. Place value. Position value nothing but place value. So this also position value. This 100th place. 100th place. So 100th place value of 100th place 7 is 0.07. 700ths we can write 0.07. 700ths we can write 0.07. After subtracting this we get 69.93. So this is the second option. Next to seventh, the value of 0.5 plus 0.05 plus 005. Here we have to add this, all this 5, 5, 5, 0.555, but this is not there in these options. That's why we have to make this in fraction form. 555 by 1000. Here we have 3 decimal places, that's why we have to write 1000. 3 zeros write 1 after 3 zeros. Here we have 3 decimal places, that's why we have to write 3 zeros after 1. Now simplify this. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 5 zeros are 111 by 200. So correct option is 2. Next, 8th one. The value of 20.91 divided by 0.17. To divide a decimal by another decimal, we have to make this divisor as a whole number. So it will become 2091 divided by 17. We have to divide this 2091 with 17. 17 ones are 17. 10, 3. 17 twos are 34, 5. 17 threes are 51. So 0. So 123, 4th option. Next one, 9th one, 0.3 plus 0.5 plus, this bracket close, divided by 0.2 by 0.2 plus 0.3 divided by 0.5. First we have to simplify this. 0.3, 0.5, 0.8 divided by 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.3, 0.5 divided by 0.5. These both are same, that's why we get 1. This 0.8 divided by 0.2, we can change like this. 8 divided by 2, this is 1. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So correct option is, so 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 by 1 is equal to 4. Here we didn't have 4, so this is equal to 4.00. 4.00. So correct option is 1. Question number 10. The decimal form of 56,709 into 4 into 3 by 12,000. First we have to cancel these numbers. 4 ones are 4 threes are 0, 0, 0. 3 ones are 0, 0, 0. Here we have 3 zeros after 1, means 1000. To divide by 1000, we shift the decimal to the left by 3 places. So answer is 56.09, 56.709. 56.709. 56.709. Not there this, but this is equal to 56.7090. So this is equal to 56.7090. Option 4. 11th one, the fractional form of 2.25. 2.25. Write this whole number, whole part as whole number, 25 by 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 2 and quarter. 2 and quarter, 2 1 by 4. 2 and quarter, 2 means 2 1 by 4. We can identify simply 2 and quarter. We can identify directly 2 and quarter. 2 and quarter. Next 12th one, the product of 1.302 into 100 to multiply by 100, shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. 130.2. 130.2. So third option. 13th one, 1.1 plus 11.11. So 1 2 2 1. So option 12.21, option 21, option 3. 14th, the difference between 3,003 and 3.003 and 2.050 is added to the sum of those numbers. Sum means 3.003, 2.050. Then the result is the difference between 3.003 and 2.050 is added to the sum of those numbers. First we have to subtract this. Ten minus 5, 5, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 2, 0. This is the difference. Addition, 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5. So this is the difference between 3.003 and 2.050 is added to the sum. Added. So we have to add for this. 9, 5, 3, 6, 10, 10, 6.006, 6.006, option 6.006, option 4. Question number 15. The fraction equal to 1.25. So 1 and quarter. 1 and quarter. So 1 and quarter is option 1. 16. The whole number we obtained when we multiply 20.2 with 18.101 without decimal is 20.2 into 18.01. We have to multiply first 1 2 2 0 2 0 0 0. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16. With 1 to the 2, 0 2 2 0 8 3 6 3. So we have to keep decimal point here. 1 2 3. Here we have to keep without decimal part. So we have to delete this decimal part. Before delete this decimal part, we have to round up this to whole number. So here we have, this is the last unit digit. To round up whole numbers, we consider immediately right place. Here we have 5 or more than 5, add 1 to this required place. So that's why this answer is 364. 364, option 3. 5.125 into a fraction 125 by completed 1000. 25 5s are 125, 25 4s are 100, 0 5 1s are 5 8s are. So 5 1 by 8 is the answer. So we know 1.125 1 by 8. So that's why 5 1 by 8. 5 1 by 8. 5 and 1 by 8. 18th. The simplification of 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. So 1 plus 0.1, 1 tenth, 100th, 100th, 1000th. 1000th means tenths, hundreds, thousands. So if we added this, we get this 1.111. So 1.111. 1.1 tenths, 100th, 1000th. So this is the answer. So next 19th, divide 77 by 1.1. We have to shift this decimal to the right by 1 place. Then it will become whole number, denominator whole number. 11 7s are, 11 zeros are. So 70 is the answer. Question number 20. The value of 4 into 100, 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 9 by 1000. So this 400 plus 30, this is to divide by 1000, shift the decimal to the left by 3 places, 0.009. So 430.009. So option 430.009, option 3.